Sometime in the winter of 1859, the clockmakers at the American Watch Company in Waltham, Massachusetts, made a breakthrough. They created the first ever mass-produced stopwatch, expressly to allow enthusiasts of a sport sweeping the nation, horse racing, to measure just how fast thoroughbreds could get from a start gate to a finish line. Not long after, the Kentucky Derby was born.
The dramatic pause before Bedlam. And they're away.
A race that would in time become known as the most exciting 2 minutes in sports. The most famed test of a horse's speed.
It's a fast pace, the kind of pace that sets records.
Along the way, this day has become even more than that. A storied tribute to revelry. But it's just as much remained a testament to the majesty of speed.
They're off in the Kentucky Derby.
Even 50 years after the most famed thoroughbred ever set a standard that has yet to be eclipsed.
Secretary just broke the old Kentucky Derby record.
Now, in just a few moments, the computerized descendant to that earliest stopwatch will begin its count. And the fastest thoroughbreds in the world will once again chase time, surrounded by proof that some things in life are simply timeless.
And now the latest moment.